Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Binance account to RoyalQ. First, open your RoyalQ application and navigate to the API binding feature. You will see a list of exchanges. Choose Binance. RoyalQ will then provide a specific IP address. It is crucial to copy this address accurately, as it will be used for security settings in Binance. Remember, your RoyalQ account needs to be active, typically with an annual fee of 120 USD, and have at least 20 USD for fuel fees. Next, log into your Binance account and find API management under your profile. Create a new API key, giving it a recognizable name like RoyalQ Bot. You will need to pass security verifications, such as email and phone codes. After creation, edit the API restrictions. Crucially, enable only spot and margin trading and restrict access to the specific IP address you copied from RoyalQ. This step significantly enhances the security of your funds. Finally, save these changes and copy both the API key and the secret key, as the secret key is shown only once. Now, switch back to your RoyalQ application, specifically to the Binance API binding section. Carefully paste the API key you obtained from Binance into the first input field. Then, paste the secret key into the second field. Request a verification code from RoyalQ, which will be sent to your registered email. Enter this code into the application. Before proceeding, make sure to read and accept the risk notice by checking the box. This ensures you understand the operational parameters of the bot. With all the details entered, click the Bind button in RoyalQ. A successful connection will be indicated by the Binance icon turning orange within the RoyalQ app. It is important to remember that RoyalQ never holds your trading capital. All your funds remain safely in your Binance account. RoyalQ only has permission to execute trades on your behalf. Once bound, you can start choosing your preferred cryptocurrency pairs and activate various trading strategies to begin automated trading.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.